Welcome to our platform's interactive polls feature tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up and customizing polls, engaging with your website's visitors, and analyzing the collected data for valuable insights. Our in-page polls tool enables you to probe visitors as they browse, ask questions relevant to what they're looking at, and when they're also most likely to reply. Polls can be created in seconds, and the pop-up bubbles also integrate seamlessly into both your branding and wider website design. Let's get started with setting up your poll. First, we'll show you how to create a question and add possible answers. You can choose from 10 preset types. Tailor your polls to the exact preference and response styles required. You can set a poll to appear on all pages or exclude them from specific URLs. Alternatively, you can hide them on all pages apart from the ones you need insights for. Polls are completely seamless. Quickly select the bubble's color scheme, then add your logo. Choose which page corner it appears on. Adjust the padding to match the context. It's all easy to do, but will increase question response rates significantly. See granular performance analytics, with question completions and poll dropout data displayed in an intuitive funnel visualizer. Use this to identify poor question choices or reorder them to increase the response rates of the questions that matter most. We've made it easy to analyze results, so have an overview of your question results detail and see at a glance exactly how they're performing. Our tool also provides detailed statistics on all the participants themselves. See their locations and device details, completion time and rate. Know whether they're a new or returning website visitor, or activate a multi-layer filter or saved filter template and dive even deeper into the data.